How to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on iPhone error. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open your phone settings and make sure that you're connected to a very strong Wi-Fi network, because sometimes the issue might be of your Wi-Fi network. And if you're using mobile service, then I suggest you using 5G or any of the latest version of mobile service. And once done, you can just check if the issue is resolved. If the issue is still there, you can come to your settings again and click on General. And over here, you're going to click on Software Update and make sure that your phone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, and as well as your phone is updated to the latest version of software. Here you can see I do have a software update and I haven't updated it till now. That's why the issue might be there. So you can just update your phone and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue is still there, you can scroll down and make sure that you are not connected to any VPN and device management. So if you're connected to a VPN, I suggest you to turn it off and then check if the issue is resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can just open your settings again and come on General again and click on Date and Time. And here you're going to make sure that you're connected to automatically and time zone is within this country you are in. And after that, what you're going to do is, if the issue is still there, you can come back to your General and scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then you can click on Reset or Erase all content and settings. And after that, check if your issue is resolved. And if the issue is still there and if the error persists after these steps, I suggest you to reach out to Apple support or visiting Apple Store for further help. So that was basically how you can fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on iPhone. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.